I was spending 40 hours a week on my YouTube channel and completely burning out. Now, it pretty much runs on autopilot. Last night, while I was sleeping, my AI system wrote, voiced, and edited 3 new shorts. In this video, I'm not just going to explain what AI agents are, I'm going to give you the exact blueprint I used to get my life back. The grind is real. That 40-hour work week, not an exaggeration. The dream of being a creator quickly became the reality of being a project manager, a video editor, a graphic designer, and an SEO specialist, all rolled into one. My day was just a long checklist of repetitive tasks that sucked the life out of me. For every 10 minutes of actual creative brainstorming, there were hours of tedious work. I was stuck, manually transcribing audio, endlessly scrolling for the right stock footage, and trying to guess what the YouTube algorithm wanted from me. This week, my output was slow, my energy was gone, and I was this close to quitting. The thing I was most passionate about had become a total drag. If any of that sounds familiar, do me a solid and hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help the channel more than you know. Discovering AI agents. Look, I knew about AI tools like ChatGPT, but they still needed me to be the boss, telling them what to do, copying and pasting, managing the whole process. It was helpful, sure, but it wasn't a solution. Then, I stumbled on the idea of AI agents. These aren't just tools, they're more like employees. They're autonomous systems you can teach to understand a goal, make decisions, and take action, all on their own. Think of it like this. Instead of you using a hammer, you hire a builder who shows up with a whole truck of tools and just builds the house for you. That was the game changer. I realized I could build not just one agent, but a whole crew to run my channel for me, my automated content crew. So I didn't just build one agent, I built a multi-agent system where each AI has a specific job, just like a real production team, and they all work together in a seamless workflow that I orchestrate using a platform called Crew AI. First up is the researcher agent. Its only job to find trending topics. It's constantly scanning competitor channels, news sites, social media feeds, looking for keywords and video ideas that are just starting to pop. Next, the scriptwriter agent jumps in. It gets the topic directly from the researcher. Then, using a language model like Claude 3, it writes a full, engaging video script. Hook, main points, call to action, the whole 9 yards. Then, the voice and vision agents tag in. The script, it's sent straight to an AI voice generator. I use 11 Labs to create a surprisingly human-like voiceover. At the same time, another agent is working on visuals, creating a storyboard, and pulling in video clips and images that match the tone and rhythm of the script. Finally, comes the SEO and publishing agent. This one puts it all together. It takes the finished video and writes a search-optimized title, a compelling description, and the perfect tags based on what the researcher uncovered. Then, it uploads the video and can even schedule it to go live at the best possible time. The blueprint, how it's built. Now, I know this might sound incredibly complicated, but building it was actually more straightforward than you'd think. The key is the orchestrator. I use Crew AI, but something like N8N works too. This is where you connect your agents and tell them what to do and in what order. First, you give each agent a role, a goal, and a little backstory, so it has context. For my scriptwriter, the goal is simple. Craft compelling YouTube scripts that keep people watching. Next, you give them tasks. A task for my researcher might be, analyze the top 5 videos about AI automation and pull out their main themes and keywords. The output from that task goes straight to the next agent in the assembly line. Then, you give your agents their tools. My researcher taps into YouTube's API to fetch real-time data. My publisher, it has the keys to my YouTube channel, so it can upload the final video. It's all sequential. The research has to be done before the writing can start. Then the script, then the edit, then the upload, taking back my time. The result? My 40-hour grind has shrunk to just a few hours a week, mostly for high-level strategy and checking the final product before it goes live. All the repetitive stuff, gone. Handled by my AI crew that works 24/7. This isn't about replacing human creativity. It's about automating the boring parts so I can focus entirely on being a creator again. This tech didn't just change my workflow. It honestly saved my passion for making videos. To help you get started, I've bundled my entire workflow, the exact prompts for the agents, the Crew AI structure, all of it into a free blueprint. The link right at the top of the description. Download it, play around with it, start automating the tedious parts of your own process. The future of content creation is here, and it's finally giving us our time back.